Good morning, everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Nirangana P.S. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day of India. India became independent on 15th August 1947 from a cruel British rule. This independence we got was a result of lot of sacrifices and the struggles of our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and others. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. On this day, the national flag is hoisted at every public place, so it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely, the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.